step into the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, satellite radio, security system, tilt steering wheel, premium sound system, clock, running boards, towing package, power driver's seat and OnStar system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.